You cannot give a perfect advice working with partial facts. Hello, welcome to Thoughts Mining segment with Onyi Nnebedum. All right, we're talking about people looking for advice, whether it's health advice, relationship advice, or any kind of advice. One of the things I tell people who come to me for advice is this: I cannot give you a perfect advice. While the information you provided is partial. Partial in the sense that it is either insufficient or incorrect. Most times we give people advice and they go to implement it and it turns out not to help them. Sometimes it's not that the advice you gave is not right. Some of those times the advice you gave is right, but the information upon which you are giving that advice is incorrect. Take for instance, somebody that has come to meet a medical doctor for some health condition, and the doctor began to ask about age. Now she feels like, oh, I wouldn't want to tell the doctor my real age. Meanwhile, what the doctor is trying to diagnose has to do with a certain age bracket. Now, this person lies to the doctor that this is not my age. The doctor goes ahead to now recommend something or rule out a particular condition because you have told him this is not your age. At the end of the day, he will give you medication. He might be the best doctor, but he will give you some medication that will rather than help you worsen the situation for you. So it's very, very important that if you want advice from people, give them sufficient information, accurate information. Don't give them partial facts. Don't give them insufficient fact. Don't give them incorrect fact if you really want the best advice. That's why at the end of the day, the best person to advise you is you because you know better. You know every detail, including the one you don't want to tell the person you are seeking advice from. So you are in the best position to advise yourself. I'm Onyi Nnebedum, this Thought Mining segment. See you in the next